Hey everyone, MrTass here with the MrTass 3D Print Shop. So as I stated in an earlier video, I got new products from PrismXR. It's a new company out on the market, PrismXR.com. You can see their logo and everything there. I'm going to do a deeper dive into two of their items currently, and I think they have some more coming. These are the Vega T1. These are low latency earbuds that have their own direct dongle. I wanted to do a quick unboxing, and then I'm going to test them out, use them for a little bit, and then I'll come back and do a little more talking about them and my thoughts on them. So for the unboxing piece, PrismXR Vega T1, immersive sound meets ultra-fast performance. And these are low latency, meaning they list it as 25 millisecond latency. And so Prism is basing their series of products off constellations. So this is the Vega constellation, celestial sound. So nice packaging and a nice concept in theory on the packaging here. And so here we can see it says Vega Blast Tech Surge, zero drag for the low latency, super pass-through, play and chat at the same time. So this I thought was interesting. The play and chat at the same time means that you can use these with your Quest, but then you can also use them with your phone at the same time. So you can get your phone calls but not interrupt your Quest gameplay, or if you're playing with friends or Discord, so they can have a dual kind of connection. So I'm curious to try that out. So let's open up and see what's in the box here. So inside, and you can see a little their video in the lower right corner for the audio, and then also the images from their site. But nice packaging. We open up. We do have the extra little earbuds here. And we've got, this is the USB-C adapter with USB-C pass-through. Although I did see a video, this will not do data pass-through. It will just do charging pass-through. So good to know. Looks like it might have a little nut there. Okay. And then the earbuds that come with, those are in there, right and left. So nice little earbud here. It's got magnetic charging. Looks like it's got a little microphone on each end here. A little silver thing, looks like a microphone. And the earbud itself. And again, you get some extra larger ears, smaller ears designed to fit. I've heard they fit very nice. Inside, we've got Prism little thank you card. We've got instructions. So how to pair, how to use. They do pair up with a mobile app on Android and iOS. So there's a mobile app that gives you better control over the earbuds, the sound settings and different things that way. And then they come with this nice little charging case, which has a little peel sticker there with the Prism logo. USB-C on the back for charging. I'll see if this is induction charging. There is a little lip in here, so you can see where to open. And so then you'll just plop your earbuds in when you're not using them. And it's got a little slot to hold that. Boom. That's nice. Blue light shows they're charging. And then we've got, hey, they give you a USB-C to C cable with a USB-C to A adapter. And that is everything that's in the box. So those are the unboxing for the Vega T1. I'm going to give these a try, see what I think, see how they use them. And let's just real quick go check the website. So this is PrismXR.com, and they have a bunch of different products out here. But for this one, we're talking about these low latency wireless earbuds. They're $69.99, Quest 3 compatible, also other system compatible. Anything with the USB-C, they should work just fine. And they've got, the super pass-through, 27 watts of super pass-through charge, so it shouldn't slow down your charging at all. Universal plug and play. And again, I really like this play and chat at the same time feature. So let me give these a run, see what we think, and I will get back with you in just a minute. Well, a minute, second for you. So I've had some time to test the Prism Vega T1 earbuds, and I gotta say, they're really nice. They have had zero issues with latency, like they say. They're low latency. They're really easy to install and use. There was pretty much no configuration. I just pull out the little dongle, I plug it in to the side of the Quest 3. That's it. They're ready to go from that point on. And then you just pull out little dongles here, pop them in your ears, and you now have audio coming from your Quest 3 to use. But you can also connect it up to Bluetooth on your phone, and then they have a Prism app. Let's see, there we go, comes in, which gives you a lot of different setting options. You can customize things with the controls. So there's single tap, double tap, press and hold. You can set them to volume up, volume down, next song, previous song, different things that way for music controls or voice assistants. I did find I wanted to try to use music at the same time as playing the game. I didn't get it to pass through correctly. I have reached out to Prism to ask them if that's a feature they can either add or if it's a feature at all. I do know, however, I can use Discord, I can use phone calls and things like that while the game is running, and that works perfectly fine. So it might just be a difference of voice versus music and how that comes across and is the connection on the phone. But I was able to play music, and when I stopped the music, it immediately went back into the headset. So if you weren't worried about headset audio while you're playing music and you needed to switch back and forth, you can do that. Overall, really nice product. I did find that it was on sale on Amazon for $10 off versus what we saw before. So you can always check out. I'll leave the affiliate link for there versus their site. And yeah, it's a great company. I think they're going to make some positive impacts into the VR community. I think they're only going to improve the software pieces of their existing hardware and come out with new hardware that we haven't seen yet. And they are very receptive and open to feedback and responsive. So check them out, PrismXR.com. Grab yourself some earbuds if you need. You can also grab the link hub or different other items that they have. Till next time, thanks. Bye.